Bonjour et bienvenue. Learn French with AT Khoj. AT Khoj, c'est moi. So today we are going to learn the alphabets in French. L'alphabet en français. Alphabet is very important. Well, I do not supposed to tell you the importance of it. So I'm going to teach you the alphabets in French. Are you ready? Here we go. So listen it carefully. I'm going to speak the alphabets in French. A, B, C, D, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Get another chance. Okay, I'm going to repeat it once again. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So I spoke it twice. Oh, but I made a mistake. Actually, I believe that I was quite fast. I'm going to speak it slowly, one by one. So, répétez après moi. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so how was it? Did you try to speak? I believe because it's entirely new to you and you're doing it first time. So how it is possible to get the command over it in one go? That's not possible. So I think I'm supposed to repeat it once again. So are you ready? Répétez après moi. Okay, so here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Well, what I did, I just to make it more easy to understand, to make it more easy to speak, I made 3 categories to make you understand and to make you practice with this. And for that, in first category, I separate those letters which exactly sounds the same like English. Okay, and in second category, which nearly sound the same like English, and third category is completely, where you have to pay attention actually, or you have to put your efforts to get those sounds, to practice those letters, is third category. Okay, so I'm going to take these categories one by one. Okay, so are you ready? So first category, I'm going to take the letters which are similar to English. Repeat après moi. Repeat it after me. F, L, M, N, S, Z. These letters are completely same. So now we are going to have the second category where the letters are nearly same to the English one. So here we go. So B becomes be, and C becomes say, and D becomes they, and P becomes pay, and T becomes they, and V becomes way. So here what did we do? We just put a sound into it, accent into it. Like B sounds be, C sounds say, D sounds they, T sounds they, V sounds way, right? So these are the letters which are nearly sounds like English. So now we are going to take the third category where the sounds are not, I would say, not similar or same like English. So first is R. E sounds G sounds J. G sounds J. H sounds Ush. Try to pronounce it. Ush. J sounds Z. K sounds K. O sounds O. Q sounds Q. R sounds R. U sounds U. And W sounds W. What does it sound? What W sounds? W. X is X. Y sounds Y. So these are the sounds where you have to put your effort to practice. Okay. Now you are going to find the A to Z words on your screen, and you have to speak those A to Z words in French. Are you ready? Here we go. Great. So you tried it well, very nice. And now, so after getting these three categories, I believe that you got familiar with the letters, or you could say alphabets of French. Okay. Now, after having these three categories, we are going to take the vowel sounds in French. Would you like to try? Well, already we did it in while learning A to Z alphabets, but here we like to have the vowel sound separately. Do you know why? Because in English we have 5 vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. Okay? But in French we have 6 vowel sounds. Okay? So repeat it after moi. A, O, E, U, Y. Yes, the 6th one was Y. Y is also the vowel sound in French. Okay, so we did this vowel sound also. So here we have learned the alphabets in French. So after learning this, I would suggest you to just practice it at your home. Okay, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to display some letters and you have to sound it. Now recognize it. Ash, good. W, ah. Hmm? J, it's not G, it's J. And R, it's Z, it is not J. Okay, way, good. Vowel sound, E sounds good. Z, same like English. Keep practicing because it is not good enough just to learn these alphabets. Do watch our next video and keep speaking, keep learning and keep practicing. And please do subscribe us. Okay. Bye bye.